an amazing 2 days in Indonesia, exploring Indonesia, learning about the local culture. I especially love the stay-in with my foster family in the Diocese of Palembang, and I had a lot of fun being welcomed by them and being accepted into their family, and they treat me as one of their own children. And to learn about the local culture, the diversity and the hospitality of the local people has been the best part of my stay so far. I hope to learn more about the local culture and to experience an international gathering of youth and to see the faith of the Catholics alive in the young people today.
Tuesday, 1st August 2017 is the last day of Days in Diocese of Asian Youth Day in the Archdiocese of Palembang. Today's event is divided into 3 major activities. There are multicultural exposures, activities with youth Catholic at 8 parishes where the delegates live in, and inauguration. Participants visited 4 places of exposure. There are Kuto Besak Port, Jakabaring Sport City, Archaeological Park of Sriwijaya Kingdom, and Balaputra Dewa Museum. Through displays, the delegates explored the richness of cultures and history of Indonesia, especially about Sriwijaya Kingdom in Palembang City.
Pengalaman saya di Asian Youth Day bagus sangat. Saya rasa semua orang Indonesia memang baik hati, gila sikit, tapi baik dan saya suka sangat.
My friends and I, we had the same feelings as well, to see how the happiness is within each of you. You guys were jumping to greet us and all that are really beautiful, never expected at all. And then the food. Trust me, I brought lots of biscuits with me because I thought, the food here wouldn't be nice, I can't adapt to it. But everything was beyond my expectation, and I eat here more than what I eat back in Malaysia. It's like every meal, snacks, all is kuih, nasi, rice and everything. Everything's so beautiful, and the programs are well prepared. Each and every detail, the banner, the decorations, performance, everything is well detailed.
The next session was activities with the youth Catholic at 8 parishes. The parishes are St. Stephen's Parish, St. Peter Parish, St. Francis de Sales Parish, Sacred Heart Parish, St. Joseph Parish, St. Mary Cathedral Parish, St. Mary of the Rosary Parish, and St. Paul Parish. There, they made pempek, the traditional food of Palembang. After this session, the delegates celebrated the Eucharist at each parish. The activities closed with night of inauguration with parishioners, families, and Catholic youth.
I've been missing you since that day I left you. Pempek, you make me feel like I wanna come back to you. I will surely come back to you and eat you again. Pempek, I'm so in love with you. Pempek, I'm so in love with you.